Is a hidden crack in your commercial HVAC system putting your facility at risk? Small defects in a heat exchanger can lead to major efficiency losses or even hazardous carbon monoxide leaks. Welcome to PartsHnC. Today, we are diving into professional troubleshooting for these critical components to keep your commercial operations running smoothly. Always prioritize safety by turning off power and gas and wearing appropriate personal protective equipment before starting any task. Troubleshooting begins with identifying early warning signs, such as soot or flame rollout. One of the most common culprits is microfractures caused by thermal cycling. Since these are often invisible to the naked eye, technicians should use infrared or ultrasonic testing to catch heat stress before it becomes a structural failure. If you notice internal scaling or blocked passages, this is usually due to hard water condensation or crystallized combustion residues. A thorough chemical or mechanical descaling, paired with adjusted burner settings, will restore proper heat transfer and prevent future buildup. For units experiencing uneven heating, inspect the internal baffles for misalignment to ensure uniform airflow. Don't overlook material fatigue from high cycling loads or subtle vibrations from blowers. Installing vibration sensors can provide predictive data to prevent metal weakening over time. Always perform pressure tests at weld seams to check for hidden air leaks and ensure safe airflow separation. Need replacement parts for your commercial HVAC maintenance? Head over to PartsHnC.com to find high-quality components for your system. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more technical tips. Thanks for watching.